Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. If you are facing a strange problem on Windows PC where some files rename normally but few specific file refuse to rename, then this video is exactly for you. So as you can see guys, I have some images file and video file. So when I am trying to rename, the file is not renaming. So I am using F2 shortcut key as well. When I am right clicking on it, the rename option is not showing, the file is not renaming. Okay, so if you are also facing the same problem, now watch this video till end. So when I try to rename another file, the another file was renaming very clearly, but these files are not renaming. If you have opened the zip file folder on your PC, first you need to extract this. Okay, right click on your folder, and here from here you need to extract your all file. After extracting, the file will rename 100%. So if you don't have any extract folder, afterwards you are facing the same type of problem. Let me explain the issue clearly. The problem is not on your keyboard and not on Windows permission. It's usually a file lock or any software issue. The number one reason is this guys, the file is currently being used by another app. If you have renaming the video file, you need to close your all apps from the task manager. If the file was open in any other app, so at that time you can't able to rename this file. When Windows detect a file in use, it lock the file and rename is blocked. You need to remember this guys. So if the app is not showing up in the task bar, you need to open the task manager. Hold Ctrl key, Shift key, and then press escape button from your keyboard, and from here you can get the all open app. If the app is running, you need to right click on it, and from here you need to end the task. Also here you need to find out the Windows Explorer. Press W from your keyboard and find out Windows Explorer. Right click on it, and from here you need to restart it. After restarting, try to rename your file. It will fix your problem 100%. If the problem is same, you can try the next method. Open that particular file folder, go to View tab. If the preview panel was enabled, you need to disable it. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem. If the problem is same, you can try the next method. If the file was not copied properly, or if the file was not downloaded properly, at the time also you can face this type of problem. You need to copy it 100%, and if the download was not completed, you need to wait for a few minutes till the download was completed. After the 100% successfully completed, afterwards it will give you access to rename your file. Still the problem is same guys. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to copy this file, okay, and paste it on another file on folder. Okay, so now I'm going to paste in my desktop, paste it. So as you can see guys, I have pasted. After pasting, now try to rename the file. So as you can see guys, the file was renaming. Now my problem was solved. Okay, still the problem is same guys. Final and last option, you need to restart your PC. After restarting, it will fix your problem. So also you need to remember one thing guys, if you are using any third-party extension software to customize your folder name, renaming your folder name, like this any kind of app you are using, you need to uninstall it from your PC. Okay, so also you need to remember some few things. Don't rename the file while playing them. Don't keep preview panel enabled for videos. Don't force rename repeatedly. This can corrupt the file. So that's how you can fix the file rename not working issue on Windows PC. Hit the like button, subscribe to Techify for real tech solution. Comment below if you are facing a different window problem. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.